Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Brazil, a country that captivates the heart and soul with its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture. Brazil is a land of contrasts, where the lush Amazon rainforest meets the stunning beaches of Rio de Janeiro, and the bustling cities pulse with a rhythm all their own. From the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue overlooking the sprawling metropolis to the serene beauty of the Pantanal wetlands, Brazil offers a diverse array of natural wonders that beckon adventurers and nature lovers alike. But Brazil is not just about its stunning scenery, it is also a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and flavors. The rich tapestry of Brazilian life is woven from indigenous heritage, African influences, and European traditions, creating a unique cultural experience that is both dynamic and inviting. Whether you're dancing the samba in the streets of Salvador during Carnival or savoring the delicious tastes of feijoada, Brazil promises an unforgettable journey for every traveler. In this video, we will take you on an engaging and informative tour of Brazil's most amazing places, showcasing the unique attractions and experiences that make this country truly special. From the breathtaking Iguazu Falls to the vibrant streets of São Paulo, we will uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that define Brazil's charm. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the wonders of Brazil, where every corner holds a new adventure waiting to be discovered. The Amazon Rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is not just a natural wonder of Brazil, it is a vital ecological treasure that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, this vast expanse of lush greenery is often referred to as the lungs of the earth, as it produces approximately 20% of the world's oxygen. The Amazon is home to an astonishing array of biodiversity, housing around 10% of all known species on Earth, including countless plants, animals, and insects that are found nowhere else. Within this vibrant ecosystem, unique wildlife thrives, from the majestic jaguar prowling the forest floor to the colorful macaws soaring through the canopy. The Amazon is also home to numerous indigenous cultures, each with their own rich traditions and deep connections to the land. These communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries, relying on its resources for sustenance and cultural practices. Their knowledge of the ecosystem is invaluable, offering insights into sustainable living and conservation efforts. As we explore the wonders of the Amazon, it is essential to promote ecotourism and responsible travel practices. By visiting this incredible region with respect and mindfulness, travelers can contribute to the preservation of its delicate ecosystems and support local communities. Engaging in eco-friendly tours and supporting conservation initiatives ensures that the Amazon rainforest remains a thriving sanctuary for future generations. Join us in discovering the beauty and significance of the Amazon, and let's work together to protect this irreplaceable natural wonder. Christ the Redeemer. Standing majestically atop the Corcovado mountain, the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue is a symbol of Brazil and a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage. Completed in 1931, this architectural marvel reaches a height of 30 meters, 98 feet, and is made of reinforced concrete and soapstone, showcasing the ingenuity of its designers, Heitor da Silva Costa and sculptor Paul Landowski. The statue represents not only the Christian faith but also the welcoming spirit of the Brazilian people, with its outstretched arms embracing the city of Rio de Janeiro. The historical significance of Christ the Redeemer extends beyond its religious connotations. It has become a national icon, representing hope and unity for Brazilians. As one of the new 7 wonders of the world, the statue attracts millions of visitors each year, who come to marvel at its grandeur and the breathtaking views it offers. From this vantage point, visitors can gaze upon the sprawling cityscape of Rio, with its stunning beaches, lush mountains, and vibrant neighborhoods, creating a picturesque backdrop that is truly unforgettable. In recognition of its cultural and historical importance, Christ the Redeemer was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2012, further solidifying its status as a global treasure. As you stand before this magnificent statue, you not only witness an architectural feat but also experience the essence of Brazil itself. Christ the Redeemer serves as a reminder of the beauty, diversity, and resilience of the Brazilian spirit, inviting all who visit to embrace the warmth and vibrancy of this remarkable country. Iguazu Falls. Iguazu Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder that captivates visitors with its stunning beauty and immense power. Located on the border between Brazil and Argentina, This magnificent waterfall system consists of approximately 275 individual falls, stretching over 2 miles in length. The falls were formed by volcanic activity and erosion, creating a dramatic landscape where the Iguazu River plunges into a deep gorge, resulting in a mesmerizing spectacle of cascading water and mist. The most famous section, known as the Devil's Throat, showcases a breathtaking drop of 80 meters, 262 feet, leaving visitors in awe of nature's grandeur. Surrounding the falls is the Iguazu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that boasts rich biodiversity and lush subtropical rainforest. The park is home to an array of wildlife, including colorful toucans, playful coatis, and elusive jaguars, making it a paradise for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. The diverse ecosystems within the park provide a habitat for countless plant and animal species, further enhancing the allure of this remarkable destination. To fully appreciate the magnificence of Iguazu Falls, visitors are encouraged to experience the falls from both the Brazilian and Argentine sides. Each perspective offers unique viewpoints and experiences, allowing travelers to immerse themselves in the beauty of the falls. The Brazilian side provides panoramic views, while the Argentine side offers closer encounters with the cascades, including walking trails that lead you right to the edge of the falls. No matter which side you choose, Iguazu Falls promises an unforgettable adventure that showcases the raw power and beauty of nature. Pantanal Wetlands. The Pantanal is a breathtaking natural wonder and the world's largest tropical wetland area, spanning over 150,000 square kilometers across Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. This unique ecosystem is characterized by its seasonal flooding, which creates a rich tapestry of habitats that support an incredible diversity of wildlife. The Pantanal is home to more than 1,000 species of birds, 400 species of mammals, and countless reptiles and amphibians, making it one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. From the majestic jaguar prowling through the underbrush to the vibrant hyacinth macaw soaring overhead, the Pantanal offers a remarkable opportunity to witness nature in its purest form. For birdwatching and wildlife photography enthusiasts, the Pantanal is a paradise. The region's open landscapes and accessible waterways provide excellent vantage points for observing and capturing stunning images of its inhabitants. Whether you are hoping to spot the elusive capybara, the graceful giant river otter, or the colorful toucans, the Pantanal's diverse habitats offer endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Guided tours and eco-lodges are available to help visitors make the most of their experience while ensuring minimal impact on the environment. Promoting sustainable tourism practices is essential to protect the fragile ecosystem of the Pantanal. By choosing eco-friendly accommodations, supporting local communities, and adhering to responsible wildlife viewing guidelines, travelers can contribute to the conservation of this extraordinary wetland. The Pantanal is not just a destination, it is a vital ecosystem that deserves our respect and protection for generations to come. Embrace the beauty of the Pantanal and join the effort to preserve its incredible biodiversity. Salvador's Historic Center. Salvador's Historic Center, known as Pelourinho, is a vibrant tapestry of culture and history that transports visitors back to Brazil's colonial past. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its stunning colonial architecture, featuring brightly colored buildings adorned with intricate Baroque details. As you stroll through the cobblestone streets, you'll be captivated by the charm of the pastel-hued facades, ornate churches, and lively squares that reflect the city's rich heritage. The atmosphere is alive with music, art, and the spirit of the people, making it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Brazil. At the heart of Salvador's identity is its deep-rooted Afro-Brazilian heritage, which has significantly shaped the city's culture, traditions, and way of life. The influence of African descendants is evident in the local music, dance, and religious practices, particularly in Candomblé, a syncretic faith that blends African traditions with Catholicism. Visitors can immerse themselves in this cultural richness by attending performances of capoeira, a traditional martial art that combines dance and acrobatics, or by visiting local markets that showcase vibrant crafts and textiles. To truly experience Salvador, visitors are encouraged to partake in the city's lively festivals, such as Carnival, where the streets come alive with parades, music, and dance. Additionally, savoring the local cuisine is a must. Dishes like acarajé, a deep-fried bean cake filled with shrimp, and moqueca, a flavorful fish stew, offer a taste of the region's culinary delights. Salvador's historic center is not just a place to visit, it is an invitation to engage with the vibrant culture and history that define this extraordinary city. In this journey through the wonders of Brazil, we have explored the incredible diversity and beauty that this vibrant country has to offer. From the breathtaking landscapes of the Amazon rainforest, where unique wildlife thrives in a rich ecosystem, to the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue that stands as a symbol of hope and unity, Brazil is a treasure trove of natural and cultural attractions. We have marveled at the stunning Iguazu Falls, one of the largest waterfall systems in the world, and discovered the vast Pantanal wetlands, home to an astonishing array of biodiversity. Additionally, we delved into the vibrant culture of Salvador's historic center, where colonial architecture and Afro-Brazilian heritage come together to create a lively atmosphere filled with music, dance, and delicious cuisine. Each of these destinations showcases the rich tapestry of Brazil's history and the warmth of its people, inviting travelers to immerse themselves in unforgettable experiences. We encourage you to explore these amazing places and share your own experiences with friends and family. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural enrichment, Brazil has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more travel content, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and insights from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Brazil's wonders, and we look forward to seeing you on our next journey.